Logical operators. Logical operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values. It gives true or false as the result, and or not are the logical operators. Let's see one by one. Logical AND operator gives true if both booleans are true, else it gives false. For example, print within parentheses true and true. Let's see, the output is true. Now take another example. Print within parentheses false and true. Let's see, the output is false. Let's take another example without boolean values. Print within parentheses, again inside parentheses, 2 less than 3 and logical operator inside parentheses 1 less than 2. Let's see, the output is true. Now see step by step explanation. It evaluates 2 less than 3, that is true. After that, it evaluates 1 less than 2, that is true. Now it becomes true and true. The result is true. Logical OR operator. Logical OR operator gives true if any one of the booleans is true, else it gives false. For example, print inside parenthesis boolean value false. Logical operator or boolean value false. Now see, the output is false. Another example, print inside parenthesis boolean value true. Logical operator or boolean value false. Now see, the output is true. Now let's take another example. Print inside parenthesis, again within parenthesis, 2 less than 3. Logical operator or within parenthesis, 2 less than 1. Now see, the output is true. Let's discuss step by step explanation. First, it evaluates 2 less than 3, that is true. Second, it evaluates 2 less than 1, that is false. Next, it evaluates true or false, that means true. Logical NOT operator. Logical NOT operator gives the opposite value of the given boolean. Let's take an example. Print within parentheses, logical operator NOT inside parentheses, boolean value false. Now see, the output is true. Let's take another example. Print inside parentheses, not logical operator, within parentheses 2 less than 3. Now see, the output is false. Now discuss step by step explanation. First, it evaluates inside parentheses 2 less than 3. That is true. Now it evaluates not inside parentheses. Then the output is false. Summary. Logical AND operator gives true if all the boolean values are true. Logical OR operator gives true if any of the boolean values are true. Logical NOT operator gives the opposite value.